Here is your complete future-ready AI course for free, from beginner to advanced by Wealth Bubbles, your finance channel. We bring AI finance opportunities awareness.
AI is a branch of computer science that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and understanding language, powered by four main pillars: data, algorithms, training, and prediction. YouTube and Netflix recommendations, Google Maps traffic predictions, ChatGPT, face unlock, voice assistance, and spam email detection. AI's journey started in 1950 with Turing's thesis, proposing that machines can think, and progressed through significant milestones over 70 years. AI operates on three main layers: infrastructure companies, model creators, and companies using AI. Standalone tools, integrated tools, and customized tools are the different types of AI tools available.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is the broadest umbrella term encompassing various technologies. Machine learning, ML, is a branch where computers learn patterns directly from data instead of hard-coded rules. Supervised learning trains using labeled data, while unsupervised learning finds hidden structures within labeled data. Reinforcement learning learns through a reward and penalty system, like self-driving cars. Deep learning, DL, uses multi-layered neural networks to handle complex visual and audio patterns. Natural language processing, NLP, helps computers understand and generate human language. Computer vision enables AI to interpret visual data, and generative AI and LLMs produce creative text and media. Hallucination is when AI generates false info confidently. Tokens help break text for processing. Prompt engineering and fine-tuning are skills for optimizing AI outputs and training models. VO3 generates AI videos from text prompts, and Notebook LM creates study materials from sources. Masa AI platform builds automated agents for web research. Custom AI agents follow a defined workflow. LLMs generate text but lack direct access to tools. AI workflows automate tasks with API access. AI agents are fully autonomous, planning and executing tasks without human oversight.
A good prompt includes four components: role, persona, task goal, context background, and constraints format. There are several prompt structures: role-based, step-by-step, example-based, goal-based, and constraint-based prompts. Different prompt types include zero-shot, few-shot, instruction-based, and multimodal prompting with text, image, or video. Core technical roles in AI include AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI research engineer, AI product manager, and AI agent developer. Freelance roles in AI encompass video editing services, automation agencies, resume or LinkedIn optimization, and AI consulting.